Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Learn English Adventures. Learn English Adventures Roadmap is designed to help learners progressively build their English language skills in a structured and engaging manner. Please try to understand and realize. Because you're listening or understanding, big part of Learn English. Today, we will discuss conversation with a friend or partner about the weather. You can start by commenting on the current weather, mentioning any recent changes, or asking about their favorite weather. So let's start. Hey! Have you noticed how sunny it's been lately?
Yes, it's been really nice. I love this weather.
Me too. Do you prefer sunny days like these or do you like it when it's cooler?
I enjoy sunny days, but there's something about cooler weather that I find refreshing. How about you?
I'm actually a fan of both. Sunny days lift my mood, and I love spending time outdoors, but there's a cozy charm to cooler weather that I appreciate. It's nice to have a mix. Did you do anything fun outdoors recently?
Not much, just took a stroll in the park and enjoyed the sunshine. How about you?
That sounds lovely. I went for a hike over the weekend. The weather was perfect for it. Clear skies, a gentle breeze, couldn't have asked for more.
Hiking sounds great. I haven't done that in a while. Where did you go?
I explored a trail in the nearby mountains. The views were breathtaking, especially with the clear weather. It's amazing how the weather can enhance outdoor experiences.
Absolutely. Clear skies can make all the difference. Speaking of which, did you hear about the upcoming forecast? They're predicting some rain later this week.
Oh, really? I hadn't checked the forecast yet. Rain can be a nice change of pace. I find it oddly comforting. How do you feel about rainy days?
I don't mind them at all. There's something cozy about staying indoors, listening to the raindrops, and maybe reading a good book or watching a movie. It's a different kind of relaxation.
I completely agree. Rainy days have a unique charm. It's like nature's way of giving us permission to slow down a bit. Do you have any favorite activities for rainy days?
I love baking on rainy days. The sound of rain outside and the warmth of the oven make the whole atmosphere so comforting. Plus, you get delicious treats at the end.
That sounds wonderful. I might have to borrow that idea for the next rainy day. Speaking of treats, do you have a go-to comfort food for different weather?
Definitely. In colder weather, I love a good bowl of soup or some hearty stew. But on sunny days, I'm all about ice cream or a refreshing salad. How about you?
Oh, I'm with you on the soup for colder days. It's like a warm hug. And ice cream is always a good idea. I find myself craving fruit salads when it's sunny. They just seem so fitting.
True. There's something about seasonal foods that adds to the experience. Do you have a favorite season overall?
That's a tough one. Each season has its own charm, but if I had to pick, I think I'd go with autumn. The crisp air, the changing colors of the leaves, and all the cozy sweaters, it's such a picturesque season. How about you?
I'm torn between spring and fall. Spring brings new life and blossoms, while fall has that nostalgic, comforting feeling. It's a tough choice.
Both great choices. I guess we're lucky to experience the variety of seasons. It keeps things interesting. By the way, have you ever traveled to a place with a completely different climate than what you're used to?
Yes, a couple of times. I went to a tropical island once, and the heat and humidity were a stark contrast to our usual weather. It was a nice change, though.
That sounds like a fun experience. I had a similar encounter when I visited a snowy mountain town. It was a winter wonderland, and I had to adjust to the cold, but it was so magical.
It's amazing how weather can shape the character of a place. Do you have any dream destinations based on their climate?
Absolutely. I've always wanted to visit a place with a Mediterranean climate, mild, wet winters and hot, dry summers. The idea of exploring historical sites under the Mediterranean sun sounds incredible.
That does sound amazing. I've dreamt of experiencing the northern lights in a colder climate. The idea of watching the auroras dance across the sky is on my bucket list.
Oh, that's on my list too. The natural wonders that come with different climates are so captivating. Hopefully, we both get to cross those items off our lists one day.
Fingers crossed. It's always fun to have something to look forward to. By the way, did you ever have any weather-related mishaps or adventures?
Oh, I have a funny one. I once got caught in an unexpected rainstorm without an umbrella. I ended up taking refuge in a little coffee shop, and it turned into a cozy afternoon of reading and people watching.
That sounds like a serendipitous turn of events. Sometimes, the unexpected weather moments make for the best memories.
Absolutely. It's those spontaneous moments that add a bit of spice to life. Whether it's a sudden rain shower or a surprise sunny day in the midst of winter, they make for great stories.
So true. Well, here's to embracing whatever weather comes our way and making the most of it.
Cheers to that. And may our future adventures be filled with just the right weather to make them unforgettable. So this conversation will help you practice initiating discussions about everyday topics and expressing personal preferences. If this video is of little help to you and if you want to learn English, we would share many processes, which will be very helpful in your English learning. You can subscribe my channel. Because, if we share a video, you will get it first. Thanks for watching.